Hi there, welcome to my video. This is a 1966 Socialite Olympia Typewriter. Alright, so you press these little buttons right here. That releases the case. I cleaned it a little bit. I'll give it another cleaning. Alright, so my friend got this for me for 20 bucks and I gave him 20 bucks. Alright, so every key works except the D. And I think I'm going to take off the bottom by unscrewing it and give it a good cleaning. Let's put this in here, see if it works. This lever pops up. So yeah, that part works. That's good. The thing with this is, for some reason, this doesn't spin the carriage. We couldn't figure that out why. That's pretty standard. But the arm works. And the margin release to slide the carriage when you need. And the action is good. I put in a new ribbon. And she works. So it's not too bad. And fun to mess around with. Well, there it is. Cool, huh?